Are you seeking a reliable solution for assisting your disabled family members? Look no further than Able Ally, your ultimate destination for all the help you require. Whether you're assisting a family member with physical disabilities or mental health challenges, Able Ally has got your back. With just a few taps, you can now seamlessly connect with verified service providers right from the comfort of your hand. Our mission is simple: to enable the disabled. We're here to lend a hand, making your family's life smoother and more convenient. Let me walk you through how it works. Using the app is a breeze. Just tap to open the app and sign in. Here, you'll discover a comprehensive list of service providers in your area, tailored to your specific needs. Once you've found a service that fits your requirements, you can dive into certificates, ratings, and reviews. When you're completely satisfied, it's as simple as tapping Schedule Appointment. Once your appointment is confirmed, the service provider will receive a notification. They review the details and, with a single click, accept the appointment. It's that straightforward. We understand the challenges of finding trustworthy assistance for you and your family. At Able Ally, we've reimagined the concept of a helping hand. So if you're ready to make life easier for your loved ones, join the Able Ally community today. Let's embark on this journey toward empowerment together.